Hi, my name is Laura Hamilton. I'm in the class EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama, and this is my final reflection video. Thank goodness I made it first and foremost. It was a lot. Um, this class was fun. Again, it was a lot. I really have I learned a lot about, new things I can use in the classroom, new tools with the computer and stuff that I've never used before. Like Google has so many things I had no idea. I thought maybe I could just Google the answer to something, but Google Docs and Drive, how Macs work, Prezi, Bookery. There's a lot of different things that I never thought that I would think I'd use in the classroom, especially being a physical education teacher. I never thought I'd use technology and iBooks and blogs and things like that, but I've really kind of gotten a feel for how I can incorporate that into my standards, not only being a teacher, but a physical education teacher. I could even go in there and make my own blog just for PE. Some words of advice for EDM 310. Use your checklist. Your checklist is your savior. Like, everything is right there in black and white, and it tells you, and just use your checklist. It not only helps you, it tells you exactly when everything is due. So there's no question about what am I going to do next, what do I need to do, when is this due. Don't look ahead, because you'll especially in the beginning, you'll get flustered and you'll think, oh my gosh, what is Prezi? I don't know how to use Prezi, but just go by your checklist and just take it one step at a time. The class manual I used every day, so of course, keep that on your favorites and on your home page. It takes you to the instruction manual, it takes you to the blog post, it takes you to the projects and the activities. Groups. There's a lot of collaborative work in this class. Make sure you get into a good one. That's a really big thing. If you have a problem with your group, you need to talk to Dr. Strange. Like, as soon as you're like, okay, I don't like this, somebody's not doing something, they're not doing it on time, I'm having to do it all. He's really good about listening and talking to you and figuring things out. Like I said, most projects are collaborative. I don't want to be mean, but I didn't have a very good group, and things are hard to do when things are collaborative because it's your grade, and your grade depends on other students, and that's kind of scary sometimes. Another thing, make sure your group member has a MacBook or an iPad. You don't have to have one because you have the lab, but if you personally don't, or if you're not able to get your hands on one, you're going to spend a lot of time in the lab. I don't have a MacBook. I've never used Apple. That's another thing that I've started to learn how to use. And I spend a lot of time in the lab and a lot of time asking questions. I'm actually in the process of buying an iPad now, iPad Air, to help me with the rest of my schooling. I wish I would have done it before this class, but that's how that goes. And some of the projects actually require Apple software. Like, you have to have Apple, a MacBook, or an iPad to do projects and to do certain things, like iMovie, which turned out to be really, really cool. I liked iMovie a lot. I didn't think I would, but I did. It's kind of complicated, but not only you can ask Dr. Strange and you learn in class here and there, but you can Google videos, YouTube videos, and you can just see exactly how to do certain things. And for me, that makes me remember how to do things, and it makes me remember what I learned because it's more hands-on. Um, use your checklist, of course. Already said that. But make sure by using your checklist, make sure everything's on time. Like all your posts and your projects and your blog posts, because he can go back and track that. So I made sure every single thing was on time. Try to have everything done by Friday, because everything's due on Sunday, so it gives you about 2 days lenience. And you don't want to wait till the weekend. Trust me, do not wait till the weekend to say, oh, well, I'll do this project and I'll do this and that. No, don't do that. You need to start on it Monday morning. Make it clear with the group, with your group members, what day you want things due. Like, say you have a collaborative assignment and it's due on Sunday. Get together and be like, okay, guys, we need to send this to each other at least by Wednesday or Thursday. One person can make you late, and one person can affect your grade. Don't wait. Don't let that person affect your grade as much as possible. If you're having troubles, again, talk to Dr. Strange and the lab assistants. But go ahead and do your part and go ahead and upload it, and you can always go back and edit it. Use the lab assistants. That's another big part. Make them work and make them help you, because they will. They will help you, but you have to ask questions. They don't know you're sitting in the corner over there pulling your hair out because you don't know how to use a MacBook. That was me. But just ask them. They're really nice most of the time, and they'll come over and they'll help you. The work is not hard in EDM. At first I thought it was going to be hard, but then I realized it's not hard. It's very time consuming. Again, don't wait till the last minute, but you actually have to put a lot of thought into it. You have to do a lot of research and think about it. Just don't give up. You got it. That's my reflection. Use your checklist. Get a good group. Work hard. Don't wait till the last minute. And ask questions. Ask lots of questions. Good luck.